Hello teachers! In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use iMovie on an iPhone or iPad to edit your video lessons. In this video, it will just be the basic tools, which include splitting and trimming your video, adjusting speed and volume, and adding titles. Soon to come will be videos with some more advanced features. But for now, this will get you up and running. Is it me, or are we all kind of feeling like this right now? Yeah, I know. And I think no matter where you are on this journey of learning to provide online lessons for students, you feel like you're behind. We all feel like we're behind, but it's taken us until now to get to where we are now. And it seems like it's going to be a long road ahead. So let's just jump in. Let's just do it. Even if it's not what we're used to. Even if it's not perfect. Even if it's uncomfortable. We ask our students to do that all the time. So now we're being good role models. What I'm expecting is that you're going to learn by doing it. You're going to go step by step. You'll watch part of the video and be like, okay, let me try that part. And then you'll watch a little bit more and you'll be like, okay, let me try that part. And in the end, you'll be making your own videos and your students will think you are famous. It'll be super fun. Okay, let's get started. Dun, 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 dun. What you're looking for is this icon right here. That's the iMovie. It's a dark purple with a white star, not to be confused with the iTunes Store purple background white star. No, don't choose that. I'm going to click on it, and what comes up first are my projects. So this is a project I already started. And then if I want to start a new project, I'm just going to tap. I have a choice of movie or trailer. I'm going to choose movie. Now I have to select media to go into my movie in order to create the project. Now I could actually choose more than one. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Then I'm going to tap on Create Movie. Okay, so this section down here is called the timeline. This window is called the browser. And this right here is a clip. And by the way, one thing is if I just move it along, I can actually get to different places. I can see where I am in my browser. Oh my goodness, it can take a really long time to get back to the beginning. There's a toolbar. In order to see the toolbar, you have to select the clip. Now, up here at the top, you maybe can see this number. That tells you how long your clip is. The scissors tool allows you to split your clip. You can duplicate your clip and you can delete it. So one of the first things you're going to want to know how to do is to split your clip into different sections so that you can delete some sections or you move them around. Let's see, let me get to a beginning part. This is all the nonsense I don't need. Oh, okay, there I am. There's where my video is starting. Okay, so if I tap on that, my toolbar comes up and I can say split. And I can select this part of the clip and I can press delete. Now my video is starting in a reasonable spot. If I had a section that I wanted to take out in the middle, I would split it, move this over, tap on it to select, split it. Now I have this little section. I can delete that section. I can copy it, make a duplicate of it. I can move it around. So if I press and hold this, it's going to allow me to move it. And watch this. I'm going to move it to the beginning. I'm going to move this one back. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to press and hold. Then I'm going to move it to the beginning. And there it is. One thing you should know about is the undo button. So important. I could undo the last one. Ooh, I undid a lot. There's no redo button, I'm afraid. The speedometer here allows you to add a freeze frame and to change the speed. I can go as fast as 2 times the normal speed and as slow as 1/8 the normal speed. Or I can put it right back there at 1 times. If you press the speaker icon, it allows you to adjust the volume of your clip. If you are using the built-in microphone on your phone or iPad, you'll probably want to bump up the volume quite a lot. It can go up to 500%. Again, I will select the clip to get the toolbar to pop up. From there, I can press the letter T, and that is the icon for the titles. And I have 9 title styles to choose from. I can also center the title or put it in a lower section. First, I will show you how to add a title so that it is superimposed over your video as it's playing, like this. I will choose the title style Reveal. I'm going to click up here and I'm going to add my own title. Teachers are awesome. And there it is. So you might notice a slight problem. This title will actually continue for the entire video, and you probably don't want that. The solution to that is to create a split in your clip. To do that, click on the scissors icon, select your clip, click on Split. Now that your video is split into 2 clips, you can make sure to format the clip in the beginning with the title, and the second clip should have no title. If I change my mind about my title, I can just go back in and click on title again, and I can say none, and it will remove the title. If I want to add a title at the beginning that has a picture behind it instead of the video behind it, what I can do is add a photo first. So this plus sign allows you to add different kinds of media, including photos. So if I click on it and then I say photos, recently added, sure. Oh boy, you can see my whole family there. And let's choose that one. And I am also pressing this plus sign to add it to my video, and it just gets dropped right in there. Now if I click on that clip and then I exit out of the title tool by pressing the scissors icon, I can see something. I can see that it is 5 seconds long, and it gives me some information over here that I have to pinch to position the end. And if I have scrolled to the front of my clip, it says pinch to position the start, which basically means that I'm pressing my finger on that end and then sliding it over to change where the clip starts. If you look up here, the length of the clip is changing. 4 seconds is a common title length. The other thing you will see is that it says Ken Burns enabled. And let me show you what that looks like by moving this. It will pan across your photo or your video if you enable it for a video. Most of the time, I do not want it to be Ken Burns enabled, and so I'll click on that. So it is Ken Burns disabled now. What is this little thing here? So in iMovie on your iPhone, they automatically add transitions in between your clips. For example, here is what a dissolve transition looks like. Here's a slide transition. Here's what it looks like with no transition. Let's select the dissolve transition and see what it looks like in the app. So if I press play, what it will give me is this dissolving transition. I'll give more information on transitions in my video on advanced techniques. But for now, just know, most of the time you're going to want no transition unless you have two awkward parts you're trying to put together. To exit your project, just press Done. Your project will be saved automatically and given a default file name. If you want to do some more work on your project, just press Edit, and it will bring you right back in where you left off. Okay, teachers, let's do it. Dun, 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 dun. If you would like to see more video tutorials on making teacher videos, check out my playlist called Teacher Tutorials.